the depths of hell could have forged a diamond this special.
We back, so we about to do a delivery with some decking. I got some 20 footers on the other side. It started off right here and then it ended back there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's get this unstrapped. Bring this down over there. Let's see, you got 2 more straps. Oops, look at that. Oh, man. Oh, man. What's going on, bud?
So, the boards that were delivered originally were damaged, so these are replacement ones. The damaged ones are at the end of the driveway.
Okay.
I assume you're not picking them up though. So, so I didn't know if you needed to move those out and then put the good ones.
Well, these are about to go right back to the store. I'm not gonna be able to offload that like that. You see how they all fell apart?
Yeah, I was wondering why they're all separate.
Yeah. So these are about to go right back to the store.
What are they gonna do?
I don't. Oh, I'm not coming back today. I got time windows. I still got to go out to Rhode Island after here too. So I'll bring it back to the store. They got to offload it, and then they're gonna have to repackage it, schedule a pickup for that. They should schedule a pickup for that before.
Of course. But they
Yeah. And this is why I wear a GoPro for times like this, because I never know what I'm getting myself into with decking. Yeah. So believe it or not, I just came from Willimantic, and this didn't even survive that ride. So
What do you mean?
like, I was only 6 minutes away from Willimantic, and then that stop in Willimantic was only like 12-13 minutes from the store, so it didn't even.
Why? Yeah, I was not on a pallet.
Well,
How you supposed to lift it? You know what I mean?
well, the thing is, it's all supposed to be contained, and I tell them all the time, don't rely on only these factory sticks, that they should have additional straps holding the product to itself.
Right.
Because when they put it on the truck, it'll come loose, because when they set it down, the kickers will this is what we call kickers. The kickers will stretch out the straps, and then they put shrink wrap on it to try to prevent it from sliding, but as you can see, it doesn't matter unless they have extra straps on the boards.
Are they different size? They're not even
No, they're 20s. It's just they're spread out. And if I had a delivery like this a couple months ago, where the boards, I was able to put the boards back together, and then I told the customer I would only be able to leave it curbside, because once I go to pick it up, the ends of the boards spay out like fingers, and once that happens, I know I'm gonna lose the load.
It's all gonna spill off the side.
Yeah. Yep.
It already is.
Yep. So I'm about to just strap this right back down. I'm gonna throw like 2 or 3 extra straps on it, and I'm gonna bring it right back to the store, let them pull it off, and then they gotta repackage it, reschedule it for another day.
I'll call the store and let them know what happened. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Let them know when you bring it back that these were all gouged and scratched and whatever. And if these got messed up because of this, don't send me damaged ones again. Because I'm just gonna cancel my order and go to Willard's or whatever. You know what I mean? And
Yep. So just so that you're informed, I don't really work for the store, but I'll pass the message along.
If you can.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call the woman I've been dealing with too.
Yeah. So if you want, feel free. I hear a car. Feel free to take a picture of it and just be like, hey, oh shit. You know, the guy drove not even 20 minutes away to get here, and
Was Home Depot some of that packaging? Or?
So the straps that are on it, those are factory straps, but you know, a lot of times when that comes in, they have other merchandise, you know, equivalent to the same height, same weight on the other side, or that driver is coming from a distribution center and he's taking all highway. I just got stuck up in Willimantic before I came here.
Right.
So I had to like thrust my trailer into some spot it wasn't even supposed to be, and
no,
you know.
I just mean, does it come from the factory like this?
Well, yeah, that's what I'm getting at. So they rely on the factory straps, and I tell them don't rely on factory straps, because when that truck comes from the DC, from the distribution center or the manufacturer, it's on the highway all day.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go down back roads. It's not going down steep declines and up steep hills and stuff like that. So, you know, unfortunately, that last skid on the other side, plus this order got to go back right now.
Yeah.
So, just watch your back. There's a car coming. Yep. And then, yeah, so that decking, do you mind if I record on your property? All right, cool. So if you want to follow me real quick, I'll show you something.
They said they were going to send someone else to tie it up.
Yeah, so...
And then someone else would come out.
Well, yeah, so it's the store's responsibility to package the product and band it. I'm not sure if I'm the one who delivered this. That bottom skid looks very familiar, but... oh, okay. So perfect example. See how you got this one random board on top?
Yeah.
So if you have this one random board on top, they need to add filler material. So like, let's say if we were to move this all the way over, or like all the way over towards us, they need to have a stick of material, because the lack of product on this level, on this row, is just gonna allow these boards to slide out. Because the bands aren't gonna be tight if it's not, excuse me, a perfect square.
That makes sense.
And you know, even with the pallet underneath it, I mean, that's a heavy duty pallet, but even with the pallet underneath it, it's just something that they shouldn't even risk, you know.
Yeah, this was wrapped up pretty well. It had all the plastic wrap. It also had other things on it too. This wasn't bad. These are actually the best of the boards on top.
Oh, okay.
We had already stacked the really messed up ones, and then the ones we were contemplating whether we should try and use.
Gotcha.
We put on top. So these are the best of them.
Gotcha. But yeah, no, I see what you're talking about. I see scratches and stuff on the boards already.
Yeah. Underneath this layer.
Holy
shit.
Yeah. So, all right, cool beans. I'm gonna go throw a couple more straps on, and then I tried calling the store already to let them know I was gonna be there in 20 minutes with the product, the one pallet I had to return, but now I got to return the decking as well. So that's gonna be fun.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna call it now.
Yeah. So I would. When you talk to them, if you want, I'll give you one of my business cards.
Sure.
Yeah, so that way they know exactly what to do to prep this product, so they could just call me directly if the service desk doesn't have my phone number directly, but I'll give you a business card.
Okay, thank you.
So, I've been doing this a while, man.
Yeah, no, I can tell. It is a bummer, man.
Yeah.
It really is. It took like a month and a half to get the damaged one, so... This deck's gonna be built by next summer.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Summer 2021, here we come. Now yeah, well, it could be worse though. I had a customer, this was like right as we were starting to transition into spring. He was supposed to have his whole decking order. He was supposed to have his whole decking order for his daughter's wedding that weekend, and the entire decking order didn't even show up, and it was like a couple minor things. Oh, here's my business card. I gave you two just in case. Yep. So he poured the foundation for his deck, and then it was a night that we had like a couple inches of rain, so it washed all his foundation away. Yeah, so he was like just pissed, and he was like, dude, my daughter's getting married this weekend and we opted to do it on the back deck. And he was like, I don't even have everything. I was like, Jesus Christ, dude. I was like, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, luckily we don't have an event, but
yeah,
our problem is that the people helping me build the deck they're leaving for the summer.
Oh, damn. Yeah, gotcha. But yeah, I'll call, I think Paul's the MOD right now, which stands for manager on duty. So if you want to just give them a call, that's if you want, and then just have them.
My hope is that if these are okay, if they didn't get damaged from
Yeah.
around, that they just come right back.
Yeah, yeah, gotcha. All right, so yeah, I'll let them know, and then whatever they can figure out to schedule with you, that's between you and the store, okay? All right, bud, thank you. I appreciate it. Sorry about all this. Oh man, look at it. Oh, dude. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy, yo. I'm glad y'all got to see it here first. That's so crazy. Like, who would have expected that? But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you all so much for watching this decking catastrophe. Oh, jeez. All right, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.